This is what you do, family. This is how you make some money, family. Let's go. She said, babe, what's wrong with you? Why are you showing them that? She even said it. She said, why are you showing them that? Because I make tons of money off of that. I said, babe, you know I got a lot of them. I got a lot of them. And I think this is why I keep getting blessed. Because I keep really helping. Like legit helping. Like legit trying to show you guys what to do. Because I know what it feels like. I know what it feels like not to have money or be in a certain spot. Like I know what that feels like. Like I wasn't born into this stuff, guys. Like a lot of these dudes, like, you know, got the nice households and wherever they came from. Like I'm from Boston, where we, like, and I grew, like, you don't understand, food stamps, like lights getting shut off, candles. We needed candles in the house. Like y'all don't understand. So I understand how it feels. You know what I mean? So this is why I'm showing, and this is why I think I keep getting blessed. Like, and I'm really doing this from here. Like, I'm really doing this from here. Like, I'm not lying. Like, I mean, so, like I said, I am no guru. I am no teacher. I don't want to be none of that. Like, I'm not trying to be none of that, guys. I'm just showing you how to make some extra money. I'm showing you how I'm making some extra money, guys. And this is, like, anyone can do that.
I like my money crazy, man, out of control. Only real thing I count on, count my dough. No breaks, no stopping, no talking, nobody knows. East side we ride, we fly way up, no breaks. No breaks.
What's up, family? Alright, look, check this out. So a lot of you guys have been asking me, how does it actually work, right? The retail arbitrage, online arbitrage thing, the online arbitrage, right? Now, I've made a video about this before, but I'm going to show you a product right now. And before I show you something that I ordered, guys, I just want to say, the reason why I'm not going to give out every single site, I have really good sites, guys, that make me some good money. One of them being the one I showed you guys yesterday. If you haven't seen that video, check it out right here, whatever. Just check it out. Now, I have sites that I order stuff, right? And I don't even have to leave my house. So I just reorder them and reorder and reorder and reorder, and literally, guys, make profits non-stop. Like it's almost too easy. Now, the one of the main reasons why I will not just give out those sites right here on my YouTube channel and just give all of them out is because you got a lot of gurus out there, or not even gurus, just people that know the game and know how to do this very, very well. See, the people that know how to do this very, very well, who are a part of the family, I can't hate on that. You know, good job. I want you guys to crush it. But the reason why I'm not going to just give out all the sites is because there are people that are in the fam that know how to do this very, very well. Therefore, they have tools that the new people don't have. A lot of you guys don't have the tools that they have. One of them being tactical arbitrage. So even people that aren't subscribed to the channel will see my videos and use tactical arbitrage and like get a head start over you guys and just crush it and take all the profits from you guys, and you guys won't even have a chance. So hopefully that didn't happen with the last website I showed you guys. So just get on it early and buy things that you see. Don't hesitate and just get it shipped to your house and send it into Amazon, guys. I'm gonna show you guys another product right now that just came in that I ordered from a different website. And it is a book, and I ordered it from another website, and now I'm gonna show you guys the profits. I'm gonna show you guys before I even send it in, guys. Let me tell you something, another thing. They're not doing this. Like, I mean, the other, I don't care who's selling what, they are not doing this. They're not gonna show you the items before they actually send them in, unless they're actually in the process of sending them in right then and there, and they know that they're buying them all right then and there. They won't do this. So I'm showing you guys actual items. I didn't even send it yet. It just got to my house. I didn't even send it in yet, guys. And I'm gonna show you the product in a second. Hold on. Let me get my chair. Hold on, cause I'm uncomfortable right now. Let me get my chair. Hold on, family. Hold on. Yeah, fam. So just to make things clear, that's the main reason. That is the main reason why. That's the main reason why I can't just give out the websites, guys, because there are a lot of gurus and they're watching us, guys. I'm telling you, they're watching the fam because the fam is growing sporadically. We growing crazy. Like, I mean, they can't stop us. They can't stop us. So I need to, like, I want to figure out a way, and it's almost impossible to figure out a way that I can just help out, you know, the ones who aren't gurus yet, who aren't making thousands of dollars, the ones who, you know, are just getting into this and they haven't made, you know, tens of thousands of dollars already with retail arbitrage or wholesale or whatnot, because a lot of the gurus will see my videos, guys, and they will jump on what I'm talking about before you guys even have a chance. So that's why I don't want to give out the websites just like that. Now, I mean, like I said though, I can't hate on the fam. If you are subscribed and you did hit the bell and you're a part of the fam, definitely no hate. If you crushing it, you definitely crushing it. It is what it is, guys. Like, I can't hate on that. The newbies, you can't hate on that either. You know what I mean? You just gotta step your game up. That's all it is, guys. But yeah, that's why I'm not just gonna list website after website after website. I want to give fair chances to everybody. But I did list one that you can make crazy profits off of. And I'm about to show you a product right now, guys. I'm gonna show you something that I bought online arbitrage. Literally no work, guys. It's well, I can't say no work. You have to order it. So I mean, you're working your fingers. You know what I'm saying? And when it gets here, you have to pack and ship it to Amazon. So I mean, that's all the work. Now, the cool thing about when you order stuff online as well is if you're ordering a certain product directly from the manufacturer, or hint hint, if you're ordering something directly from the manufacturer, then guess what else can happen? When you order a certain quantity of the same item, they will put it in a box that has the item's order quantity on the box. Quantity 12 on the box, and what it is, where it came from, and you can actually ship that to Amazon as a cased packed item, alright guys, so that they won't split it up. Yeah, but anyways, that's for future when you start doing some crazy online arbitrage. Alright, now listen, guys, I'm gonna show you guys this because people don't show this. You know what I'm saying? They don't do this, family. They don't show y'all the products. They only, you know, they talk about the money they're making, and they may show you the products when they're actually in store, because that's in store. In store is like, most people are not gonna find the same thing in store, or if they do find the same thing, they're probably in a whole nother state and the other dude already made the money on it over here. So, but anyways, I'm gonna show you guys something that if you can find this somewhere else, you can make some money too. But I haven't found it anywhere else. I ordered it from one of my sites, and yeah, it's a book, and I'm gonna show you guys how much freaking money I'm gonna make on one book. And I have about 8 of them, I think. I have around 8 of them, guys, and I'm gonna show you how much I'm gonna make on one book, and how much I paid for it, and I'm gonna show you all the numbers. I'm gonna show you the actual receipt, guys. So yeah, let's look at this. Let's go. Alright, family, so here we go. Keep your eyes on the prize. These are some more little items over here. I'm not gonna pull those out because that's something I'm working on right now. I'm actually bundling something, and that's the first half of it, and I'm waiting on something else to come so I can put it together. But yeah, that's something different. But here we go, family, right here. This is the book. Let me show you guys what I paid for it right off the gate, guys. As you can see, it says right here, Baseball America, whatever that is, right? And it says $4.98 per unit, guys, with a total of $39. So I bought 8 of them. $4.98 with a total of $39 I spent. Okay, so on all these books right here that you see, guys, I spent $39 for all of them. For all of them, right? As a total. Now, I keep saying that because I want you guys to understand how much money I'm going to make here, right? All right. These are brand new books, guys. Look, brand new. They're mint condition. Mint condition. For all the haters out there, you know what? I love y'all haters. Y'all haters are just so funny. Like, but look, you see, it's mint condition. Mint condition. Look, you see the book? Let me open the book for you, just to show you. It's mint condition, right? Look, crispy pages. Listen. You hear that? Listen. It sounds like the book is ripping when you open it. That's because the pages are crispy. Listen. You hear that? That's called crispy, brand new book. Brand new crispy book. Alright, guys? So I don't want to hear no bull crap. Now, anyways, I'm selling those as new. Now anyways, guys, I have 8 of them here. Now, I'm not going to take all of them out. You guys can see. Look, I'll take a few out just so you can see. Lavar, you know, I'm just want to show you guys. There's 8 of them in there. I'm not going to take all of them out because they're neatly in there. But here's the cool thing. Let me show you. So you see the books. You see the books, right? Now let me show you the money. I'm going to show you the money real quick. Now, you know I bought them for $4.98 each. Remember, there's the receipt right here. $4.98 each, guys. $4.98, right? So, let's go to my history. Here it is right here. So, look. Here's the book, guys. 382,000 in books, which is amazing. Good in books. This is really good. 5-star review. Well, almost 4.5 stars. 5 reviews. That's amazing. That's good. Look at the price, guys. Look at the freaking. Look how many sellers are on it. Look how many sellers. 2 sellers. That's it. 2 sellers. That's it, guys. And look at my profits. Look. I put $5.50. I bought them for $4.98. I put $5.50. Look at the profit, guys. $26.75 in freaking profits, guys. Brand new. I got 8 of them. $26.75. That's online arbitrage for your ass. I don't like to cuss. That's online arbitrage for your behind right there. Let's go. You see what I'm saying? Look, guys. $26.75. That's online arbitrage for your behind. I didn't do nothing but find something online. I ordered it, sent it to my house, and I'm about to make $26.75 on each one of these, and I only paid $4.98 for each one, guys. Listen, it's that freaking simple. That's what it is, guys. And yes, for all of you newbies that don't know what exactly I did, all I did was I found these on a site, just like the site I sent to you guys yesterday. I showed you guys that video should hit 1 million views, guys. I gave you guys a site that is like amazing. So, and that's something different. But that site, I just did the same thing with that one, guys. Now, guys, all you do is you find profitable products online. This is now this is something that's genius because a lot of you guys don't have the good stores that I have, right? I hear that complaint all the time. All the time I hear that Lavar, I can't find, my Goodwill is not like yours. Well, okay, I had to find a way to show you guys, okay, even though I feel like I can go anywhere and find anything anywhere, most people can't. Okay, most people are gonna get discouraged because they keep scanning and there's restrictions or their Goodwill is not as popping as my Goodwill. Okay, I see all that. But look what I did here. Anybody can go to the site that I went to and order what I ordered, right? And do the same exact thing if they get to it fast. Now, a lot of guys are doing this, but the professionals, guys, are doing something called tactical arbitrage. They're using a software that literally scans websites and gives them all the profitable products by the time they wake up in the morning or however they set it. And it gives them everything, and then they just buy it all, and then they order it to themselves, and they ship it in. They have a business, and they do this non-stop, guys. But you guys have to beat them. You have to beat them. You have to put in the time, and you have to find these sites. What I do is I actually find sites that are not tapped by those guys. I find sites that a lot of those tactical arbitrage users are not using or don't know about, and I just keep reordering these products from those sites, and usually I just order them until they sold out, and they're sold out by me. I showed you guys that there was only 2 freaking sellers on this. Only 2. Guys, this is what I'm doing. This is how you make tons of freaking money. Low key. I don't even know why I'm showing this to you guys. I don't even know. I shouldn't even be showing this on my YouTube channel. My wife even told me, she said, babe, why are you giving this stuff away? Why are you giving this away? This is what you do, family. This is how you make some money, family. Let's go. I gave it to you. Let's go. There you have it, family. There it is. Look, it's that simple. Look, like I just said, and this is the honest truth. I have close, like my lady, my queen, she just told me, she said, babe, what's wrong with you? Why are you showing them that? She even said it. She said, why are you showing them that? Because I make tons of money off of that. I said, babe, I got a lot of them. And I think this is why I keep getting blessed, because I keep really helping, like legit helping, like legit trying to show you guys what to do, because I know what it feels like. I know what it feels like not to have money or be in a certain spot. Like, I know what that feels like. Like, I wasn't born into this stuff, guys. Like, a lot of these dudes, like, you know, got the nice households and wherever they came from. Like, I'm from Boston, where we, like, and I grew, like, you don't understand, food stamps, like lights getting shut off, candles. We needed candles in the house. Like, y'all don't understand. So I understand how it feels. You know what I mean? So this is why I'm showing, and this is why I think I keep getting blessed. Like, and I'm really doing this from here. Like, I'm really doing this from here. Like, I'm not lying. Like, I mean, so like I said, I am no guru. I am no teacher. I don't want to be none of that. Like, I'm not trying to be none of that, guys. I'm just showing you how to make some extra money. I'm showing you how I'm making some extra money, guys. And this is like, anyone can do that. So if you can't find stuff in the store, start looking online, guys, because like I said, this right here, all you have to do after you find something, you order it to yourself. You order it to yourself. Then you slap them labels on it, you list it on Amazon, you send it in, and you get paid for this, man. Over and over and over. The cool thing about this is you can keep ordering and keep ordering and keep ordering until they all sell out. And then you find something else. You just keep doing the same thing. I have a lot of products like this. You've seen 2 sellers on this. Only 2 sellers, guys. 2 sellers. Me being one of them. You see what I'm saying? And that's no competition. Like this, and there's lots of products out there like this. You may not believe that, but there's lots. But a lot of these guys, I'm telling you, there's a lot of beasts out there that's using tactical arbitrage to do this, and they do it on multiple sites. This is why I'm not just giving out the sites, because a lot of these dudes that aren't even a part of the family, that have a lot more money than you guys, because they do private label, they do make money retail arbitrage, and they got different tools that you guys don't have. And they will see my video, and they will go to those sites and just destroy it. And I know that. So, but it's no hate in my blood. Make your money, family. Make your money. If you're a part of this family, I don't care if you got tactical arbitrage. I'm just saying, guys, this is how you do it. That's why I got a lot of low-key websites that I'm doing this with. And guys, I'm not here to show my income and show all that. It's not even about that. Like, I don't care, and I probably won't even do that. But I'm showing you what it is, how much I'm making. I've showed how much I made before. I showed the cash, $1,000 in a week. I showed my stats. You've seen $1,400 in a week on my Amazon seller app. Like, it's not about that though. Like, I'm just showing you guys how to do this. Like, this is what I'm doing. It's that simple, guys. Hey, look, to be a part of the family, make sure you hit that subscribe button and tap that bell. Tap that bell to get notified when I upload, because you're going to get stuff like this when I upload. Let's go. It's peace and love as always. I'm out, family. Peace.